Yep, come on back. Oh shit. Come on back. Alright, go forward. I would like to put a side-by-side difference. Or just like this clip and then this clip. Get some things and then headed home. It's been a long day. Of what I look like now. At 7 o'clock in the morning, pretty much just woke up. Tired eyes. To whenever I'm all done. The difference of being sleepy to waking up is insane. The ball sacks under my eyes especially. Who's always wide awake in the morning? This kid. And this kid. Especially this kid. It's hard to do anything whenever you're done at clinicals, whenever all it is just raining and wet outside. Always rain. Look. Always rain. Always rain. Made it over the clinicals. It's time to go in for 8 hours. Should be done around 4. Thank goodness. Finished with clinicals. I'm currently at... Whoa. Currently at Walgreens. Gotta get some things and then headed home. It's been a long day. Tomorrow's gonna be an even longer day. Or no, it'll be shorter. Blue and whatever other color Taki.
No.
We're gonna try the blue ones.
The blue ones.
Blue Takis. Fucking try it.
I'm gonna turn my shit blue. What kind is it?
It says hot chili pepper artificially. It just says blue heat. Blue heat Takis. Oh, blue heat Takis. Flamin' red Takis.
These are literally the regular ones.
Blue ones are better. I say the blue Takis are better than the red ones.
I'll say you're... You're right.
You got so much room. Keep going back. Keep going back. All right. Go forward now. Let me go on the other side. Turn the wheel to the right, you idiot. That's the left. All right, come on. Look at this little sliver inch. Yep, come on back. Oh shit. Come on back. All right, go forward. Come up. Go back. This is how close he was to the Jeep. Let me in. Let me in. See how fast you can go 0 to 100 once this light turns
0 to 100.
green. I had to bring it back in, or it was about to blow out in my hands.
Ice
I never really get to show this in the vlog, but this is what I carry in my bag at all times. From computer to drone stuff, headset for listening to my audio, GoPro gear. I mean, I have more stuff, but then I feel like showing all of that. SD cards, micro SD cards, camera battery, charger, storage, dongle for this thing, and then tripod I use for GoPro and whatnot. So it's not a whole lot. I mean, there's more chargers and stuff. And of course I have other stuff like my phone charger, my phone, Apple Watch, Apple charger, computer charger, chargers upon chargers of different things like that. But yeah, it's pretty much what I carry all the time with me, for the most part. Not, I guess not all the time, but for the most part, most of the time. Mostly it is camera and drone, because whenever I get back home, I have all this stuff whenever I need it. Because I mean, I'm not really gonna really need this out in public, because usually I plan my day if I need to use this. Snowboarding video, underwater video, stuff like that. But yeah, that's what's in my bag. So let me know if I should add anything else to my bag, or should really carry or keep on me at all times. Watching my favorite show, Schitt's Creek. All comfy in bed. About to get my editing on, ready for tomorrow, Friday. And I'm about to head to sleeps. Sleepies. Sleeps. See you in tomorrow's video though.